Before the rust, before the silence of the deep, she was a queen of the asphalt. Pure American muscle screaming down the Pacific Coast Highway.
One second of lost control. That's all it took to turn a masterpiece into a memory. Gravity won. The ocean swallowed the legend whole. 50 years later, we heard the rumors. A muscle car lost off the coast of California. Everyone said it was a myth.
We're clear for descent in 30 seconds.
Copy that. Gear secured.
Look at that. It's incredible. The Challenger.
Rigging a car that's been rotting for decades is a gamble. One wrong move, and it crumbles to dust.
For the first time in 50 years, she tasted the air.
We strapped her to the flatbed. Passers-by stared, not in admiration, but in confusion.
Home sweet home. Or at least, the hospital.
Up close, it was worse than we thought. Salt water is a car's worst enemy. It eats everything.
They really did a number on this transmission.
Wait. Yeah, this isn't safe. Yeah, this isn't gonna be a quick fix at all.
But I didn't see the rust. I saw the lines. I saw 1970. We weren't just fixing a car, we were saving a soul.
When every second counts, precision and speed are paramount. These doors are offloaded and ready for the next stage.
The interior was a biohazard. Seaweed in the vents, crabs in the glove box.
The heart of the beast. The 440 Magnum. Seat solid.
Before we could fix the metal, we had to find it. 50 years of ocean slime had to go.
You can't build on rot. We had to cut out 40% of the car.
But then, the new steel arrived. Fresh floor pans.
Weld, grind, repeat. For months, this is the grind.
Slowly, the ghost was becoming solid again. But the body is nothing without the heart.
The ocean doesn't give up its prizes easily. Even after we dragged it out, the salt was still eating the Challenger.
Every inch of rot is a liability. If we leave a speck of rust, it returns like a virus. So we remove the floor pans entirely.
Destruction is easy. Creation is hard. We source new sheet metal, pristine and cold, ready to become part of the legend.
Before we can paint, we must erase. Sandblasting strips away 50 years of... Factory cars aren't perfect, but this isn't a factory car anymore. We're sculpting it by hand, blocking the body until it's straighter than an arrow.
Sometimes finesse doesn't work. To save the block, we had to beat the pistons out with a sledgehammer and a block of wood.
The cylinder walls were pitted by salt. We bored them out. 0.03 over. Fresh metal. A clean slate for combustion.
New forged pistons, polished crankshaft, ballots to within a gram. We aren't just rebuilding it, we're bulletproofing it. It's not a Dodge without the colors. We painted the block Hemi orange, a beacon of power.
Fuel lines, vacuum hoses, ignition wires. It's a nervous system,
Connect one thing wrong, and it stays dead. The marriage, reuniting the body and the engine. The moment it stops being a shell and starts becoming a car. Oil, coolant, fuel, the lifeblood. We pour it in and pray there are no leaks. It wants to run, but the timing is off. We check the distributor, adjust the carb. It's a dance.
Again, crank, spark, fire. The beast wakes up. It's rough, it's loud, but it's alive.
We let it run for 20 minutes, brake in the cam. The sound of a big block Mopar is unlike anything else on Earth.
Mechanically sound. Now, she needs to look the part. We move to the clean room, the paint booth. No dust allowed.
80% of painting is masking. We cover everything that shouldn't be purple. It's tedious, but necessary.
There was only one choice, FC7, plum crazy purple, the color of 1970 muscle.
The gun creates a cloud of purple mist. As it lands, the gray primer disappears forever.
One coat isn't enough. We lay down 3 coats of base, ensuring the color is deep enough to drown in.
The magic happens with the clear coat. It turns the matte color into a mirror.
The best sound in the world? Peeling the tape. Crisp lines. No overspray.
Polishing, buffing, until the paint isn't just paint, it's a mirror reflecting the future.
We aren't just painting it, we are dressing it in the only color that makes sense for this legend. High impact, plum crazy.
One coat isn't enough to hide the scars of the ocean. It takes layers. It takes patience.
The clear coat seals the deal. It turns paint into a mirror. It separates the past from the future.
While the paint cures, the heart is ready to beat again. The 440 Magnum, rebuilt from the block up.
In the automotive world, this is called the marriage. Body meets soul.
Motor mounts tighten. The vibration of the engine will now flow through the entire chassis.
Salt water destroyed every inch of copper. We replaced it all. A new nervous system for the beast.
The interior was a tomb of rot.
And the centerpiece. The Hearst pistol grip shifter. If you know, you know.
Okay, lower it slowly now. Got it. Press down on your side.
The bumpers were twisted metal pretzels. We found replacements and polished them to a mirror shine.
The grille.
It's the small things. The Arfix T badges. The script on the spoiler. Magnum 500 wheels. Wrapped in white letter tires. She's ready to stand on her own 4 feet.
Engine oil, coolant, high-octane fuel. The blood transfusion is complete.
The Challenger demands power. Securing the terminal is delicate work. One wrong move and the circuit is complete.
Original gauges, taken apart, cleaned, calibrated. They are ready to measure speed again.
Months of work, thousands of hours. It all comes down to this key turn.
From the bottom of the ocean to the showroom floor. Look at her.
But cars aren't meant to be looked at. They're meant to be driven.
Clutch in. First gear. Let's roll.
We brought her back to the place where she fell. But this time, she owns the road.
Some said it was impossible. Some said it was a waste of time.
But looking at this, we know the truth. Legends never die. They just need a little help to rise again.